In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error. Account mismatch. The logged-in Xbox account is different from the Microsoft Store.
First, open the Xbox app. Click on your profile. Select Sign Out. Now click on Sign In. Click on Sign In again. Select your Xbox Game Pass account. Press Continue. Now open your Microsoft Store. Click on your Microsoft Store profile. Press Sign Out. Now press Sign In. Select your Xbox app account and press Continue. Type in your PIN. Now your problem should be fixed.